My name is Busayo.
Busayo what?
Busayo Monday.
How old are you?
I'll be 18 this year.
This year, okay. So what did you do? Say it in Yoruba. So Yoruba, kí ló ṣe? What did you do? Kí ló ṣe? We not just Gary. Ọmọdún mélòó ni Gary?
1 year.
1 year old boy. Báwo ló ṣe ṣe? I couldn't sleep, so I turned on the CCTV yesterday, midnight, because my spirit was not just resting. So I was like, let me even turn on this, CCTV and see how this girl takes care of my son, because she's actually really good with them. Before I get back from work, she will have given them a bath, they will have eaten, Something just told me, check this CCTV. This girl removed my son's diaper and laid